Digital food refers to the use of technology to create, prepare, or experience food in new ways. This can include things like virtual cooking classes, food delivery apps, or even digital recipes and meal planning tools. It's about combining food with digital tools to make cooking, eating, or learning about food easier and more innovative. Advantages: digital food makes cooking and meal planning easier with apps and online recipes, and it can save time with food delivery services. It also allows people to discover new cuisines and get personalized meal recommendations. Additionally, it can help people track their nutrition and health goals more effectively. Disadvantages: relying too much on digital food services can lead to unhealthy eating habits or less cooking at home. Privacy concerns may arise when sharing personal data with food apps or delivery platforms. Also, there can be risk of over-reliance on technology, which might reduce social interaction and traditional cooking skills. Digital food can help address food insecurity by making it easier to access affordable meals through delivery apps and food sharing platforms. It also has a potential to improve sustainability by promoting local eco-friendly food choices and reducing food with better planning tools. However, it's not a complete solution, as issues like inequality, food distribution, and environmental challenges still need broader systematic changes. I think digital food has benefits, especially in making meal planning easier and improving access to food. It can also help reduce food waste and provide convenient solutions, especially in busy lives. However, I would balance it with support to local food systems and encourage healthy, sustainable eating habits so it doesn't replace traditional, more personal ways of enjoying food.